Hey there, crypto fans. Thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today, guys, I'm going to give you guys my realistic long-term price prediction for Cardstack's Cardcoin. And as always, guys, hey, if you like the content that I make, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also, guys, hey, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well with the link in the video description down below the video. Hey, if you're into Twitter and you like to talk about altcoins and NFTs all day, then you're going to want to go ahead and follow me on Twitter. It's a fun place to chat about altcoins and NFTs all day, so if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead and give me a follow. All right, guys, so I'm going to give you my realistic long-term prediction for Cardstack's Card token today. If you are unfamiliar with my channel, or this is the very first video you've ever seen on my channel, I'm a long-term altcoin hodler. I've been holding on to various coins for about 4 years now, sorry. And I will continue to hold for the long term. I'm not planning on selling anything for probably another 5-10 years. There's no reason for me to sell. I'm not hard up for money. I'm investing in this stuff for the long term, and I buy more at every single dip. So, hey, my bags are just growing and growing and growing. So if you're into that sort of thing, if you're into hodling as well, then you're going to enjoy this video. Now, I don't use TA or technical analysis to find out where I think prices are going to go in the future. You really can't use TA to see where the price could potentially go, 5 to 10 years from now. And again, guys, when I'm talking price predictions long term here, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months. That's not long term. If you're holding onto a coin for 6 to 12 months, that's not considered long term. Long term is what I would consider at least 3 years, 3 years minimum, okay? 3 years, 5 years, 8 years, plus. So that would be considered long term to me. You're in it, you're literally in it as an investment, and you're buying it every single dip. So, all right, I'm going to show you how I come up with my long-term predictions here. And so far, I haven't been wrong on any of them. I've been doing this for 4 years now, and no, I don't. I'm not spot on. I can't guarantee you that this is what the prices are going to be, but I can give you an overall general idea of where the price is going to go, based on just some basic mathematics, which is awesome. As you guys can see, I don't have a crystal ball behind me. I'm not a magician, so I can't tell you the exact number where it's going to go, but again, just an overall general idea. So guys, let's see here. Cardstack is currently ranked number 777 on CoinMarketCap, and it is currently trading for 0.009 cents, almost one full penny right now. It's got a market cap of $22.4 million, which is a very, very, very small market cap coin. It's got a current circulating supply of 2.36 billion and a total supply of 6 billion. And its all-time high is 4 cents, okay? So 4 cents. If it can go to 4 cents once, guys, it can definitely do it again. Now, if you don't know about the Cardstack project or you're not familiar with it, it's an awesome project with tons of utility, okay? And when a project like this takes off, which I'm pretty sure it's going to in the long run, it's definitely going to make some moves in price action as well, because this is something that they have an actual product that people can actually use in the real world, and people are using in the real world. People in the web design, web development, UI, UX design development space, people in those kinds of spaces can really benefit from this project. So if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead and check out this project. It is awesome and definitely can be used. The overall price where I think it could go. Clearly, guys, this project has already made it to 4 cents at one time, so we're going to see where the market cap was at that time. So I personally think that a project like this, in the long term, at least 5+ years from now, could get to a market cap of at least $500 million, okay? I don't see why it couldn't happen, especially as more money is coming into the crypto space as time and time goes on. So we're going to do the math based on, hoping that the market cap can go up to 500 million at some point. And that's being conservative here. It could go a lot higher than that, but I like to be conservative in my predictions so that I, can stay on the safe side. We're investing real money here, you guys, so we want to be on the, we want to be on the safe side here. I'm not the type of person that's going to tell you Cardstack is going to go to $1,000 this year or something like that. That's just not what I do. Okay, so let's see here. When it went to 4 cents the last time, the market cap would have been, let's see, 2.36 billion tokens, and multiply that by 0.4 cents. So it was probably right around $94 million. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, somewhere around there though. which obviously can go much higher in the future. So guys, let's see here. Now, obviously in 5+ years from now, you guys, the circulating supply is going to be a lot more than where it's at right now. So the number I'm going to be using for the circulating supply, 5+ years from now, I'm probably going to go with somewhere around 3.5 billion. Okay, so we're going to use 3.5 billion, and we're going to multiply various different numbers above 4 cents to see what the potential price point could be once it gets to $500 million market cap, because that's the goal that I think it could get to. Now, if it went to 4 cents again, let's see what the market cap would be if it went to 4 cents again with that circulating supply. So multiply by 4 cents, that'd be $140 million market cap. Again, that's super small. That's nowhere near the 500 million that I think it could go to. So we're going to see, where it could go. All right, so we're going to do 3.5 billion again. 3.5 billion. Now, obviously, everybody can do math, so we're going to multiply by 10 cents. Obviously, we already know what that's going to be. It's going to be 350 million. So obviously, a little higher than that. So we'll try 15 cents next. So 3.5 billion. We'll multiply by 15 cents, and we're going to come out with 525. So we're going to go a little bit lower than that. We'll try 13. So 3.5 billion, and we'll try 0.13. 455. Okay, we'll try one more. We'll go 14 cents. So 3.5 billion. And we're going to multiply it by 14 cents. Perfect. That's what I'm looking for, you guys. That is the number I'm looking for. All right, guys, so for the sake of this video and to answer my question for this video, the prediction I'm going to go with for the long term here is 14 cents. I think it can go to 14 cents in the long term. Again, this is 5 years from now, maybe a little more than 5 years from now, which is overall general long-term prediction. I see no reason why it can't get up to a $500 million market cap. So yeah. Now let's see what it would be if you put money into here. Now, obviously, a small coin like this, you're not going to put a big bag into. So we're going to go with a $5,000 investment, because that's a pretty small investment for a coin like this. So we're going to go with $5,000. Let's say you put $5,000 in, and you divide it by, let's say it's trading for a penny. Okay, so 1 cent. So we're going to divide it by 0.01, because it's already kind of close to there. So we'll divide it by 0.1, and you're going to come out with 500,000 tokens, okay? So you're going to have 500,000 coins, and you're going to multiply that by 14 cents. So at the end, guys, from a $5,000 investment after 5 years, you're going to come out with a good $65,000 profit. Now, that is a huge, huge, huge profit, you guys. And this is why I invest for the long term. This is why I hodl for the long term, because there's only value in there. I mean, you can only see value in there, which is awesome. Now, obviously, it's going to be more than this, but because usually what long-term holders do is they don't just buy a bag and then keep it forever. I mean, they do, but you're also buying more every time it takes a big dip. So when it takes a big dip, you're going to be adding more and more to it as well. So really, realistically, this this number right here could be roughly around 75 to 80,000 by the time it goes up that high. So that's a huge profit, you guys. And again, guys, this is just one coin that you invested in. So in my personal opinion, Cardstack has huge, huge potential for the long term, especially if it takes off. Overall, my prediction for this one, for Cardstack or Card, is going to be 14 cents, and that's what I'm going to go with this video. So guys, that pretty much does it for this one. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter with the link in the video description below the video. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.